Hey guys, this is Jordan and I'm bringing you another episode of Mousetrap Genius. So today we're looking at this solar-powered motion tracking outdoor light from a company called Mpow. Let's start off with the good things about this light. Obviously it's solar-powered, so it charges from the sun during the day, so it has power at night. Number two is it has a motion sensor on it. So whenever you walk past it, it activates the motion sensor. Which actually leads me to my next point. There's actually 3 different lighting modes on this light. And on all 3 of the lighting modes, it charges during the day, so the light is off during the day, and it's charging from the sun. And then it's only activated at night or when it senses that it's getting dark out. So the 3 different lighting modes, there's a highlight mode. You can see them all listed on the back here. There's a highlight mode, which basically whenever it gets dark, the light comes on and it stays on full power throughout the night for about 4 to 6 hours, or depending on how much charge it got during the day from the sun. The next one is called a dim light mode, and so basically same thing. As soon as it gets dark, the light comes on, but it only comes on about half power. And then the motion sensor comes into play here because whenever you're walking within range of it, it senses that and it lights at full power. The third one is a full motion sensor mode, where when it gets dark, the light doesn't come on automatically. It only comes on whenever you're walking within range of it. And it comes on full power, and it stays on for about 15 seconds after you walk past it, and then it shuts back off again. Now, with both the dim light power mode and the motion sensor mode, whenever you walk past it, obviously it goes on, it stays on for about 15 seconds until you are out of range. But as long as you're standing within range of the motion sensor, the light will stay on. So say you're standing there having a conversation with someone, the light stays on for the entire time until you guys walk away. Now let's start with the bad things about this light, and there's a couple things I don't like about it. First off is the instructions, and I actually read them this time. They're very unclear. It's kind of like reading an IKEA instruction booklet. You know, it's super vague, doesn't really explain things very well. You kind of just have to figure it out on your own. For example, it has these 2 little pillar hinge things. And you know, obviously if you've used these before, you understand how to use them, and it's pretty simple, but the instructions don't really explain how to attach these to a wall. And so if you don't know, then you kind of have to, you're lost, you know, you have to look it up somewhere else. Now obviously you can just use about a 1/4 inch bit in your drill a hole into the wall, and then stick these into that hole, and then you can screw the metal screw into this plastic piece here. But the instructions don't really explain that. Second thing I don't like about this thing is, you know, you attach it to a wall, it's up against the wall, but the on and off switch and the switch that lets you pick which lighting mode you want is on the back. So once it's attached to the wall, say you have it set on a highlight mode, but all of a sudden you want to change it to the dim light mode, you have to completely unscrew the whole thing, take it off, switch it, and screw it back in. Kind of bad design in my opinion, but whatever. The bottom line, it's a simple product, it works, it gets the job done. If you like what you saw here today, the link to purchase this light is in the description below. And go ahead and subscribe to our channel while you're at it. Thanks guys.